Critical. That's how you conduct yourself after Ifá, after you've gone through sacred rites of passage. You need to be self-aware and wise and do the work that helps facilitate that agency within you. Carry the wisdom of Ifá inside of you, the wisdom of Idoshu inside of you, the wisdom of Odunfa inside of you, the wisdom of Ifá and our ancestors inside of you. Unashamedly embrace and express our culture and tradition. When and where Ifá says yes, go. Be an agent of healing and medicinal light in our families, in our communities, and in our world, no matter what ugliness people are bringing our way. You do not let somebody else outside of you set the internal temperature for inside of you. That means they're in control of you. You a pawn, you a puppet. You a puppet if you let somebody else outside of you dictate the internal climate of your wellness, of your joy, of your peace, of your happiness. You don't do that. That means you don't really have a true internal locus of control. Somebody else is calling the shots. Somebody actually, who may not even be aware of what they're doing. But what it does say about that person, if they're able to manipulate your mood, your demeanor, your comport, it does say that they are a very, very powerful being. You see, it works both ways, everyone. Somebody can come into a room and light that room up and bring so much happiness in there. The whole energy shift when they walk into the room for the better. And there are also very powerful people who can do the opposite. Come into a room and they will gray. That whole room will turn gray. The energy will go down because that person's energy is so strong and powerful and negative that the light starts to dim in the room. When you come back from these sacred rites of passage and these sacred spiritual experiences, no matter where you are on planet Earth, but we're talking about Africa right now, you hold on tight to your Ifá and you engage in your daily Ifá practice and you watch the blessings unfold one after the other. From the simplest and mundane of things to the more complex and life-changing of things. It can be as small and simple and subtle, and it can be big and drastic, and anywhere in between. Do not rush your ire. Do not rush your blessings. You live each moment to the fullest, with full joy, and being blessed to breathe air another day, another moment. To truly be thankful for the gift of life and thankful that Earth, she is still here, spinning on her axis in a vast space of blackness amongst other planets, stars, and galaxies. You be thankful that you got to experience all these amazing things in the midst of your life that is sprinkled and peppered with challenges, sadnesses, disappointments, and tragedies, that you still got to live. And so you allow the positive change that happens to you when you are in Africa during sacred rites of passage. You allow the positive change to be permanent inside of you because you are God's child, and that is your birthright. Your birthright is to be a divine being. You are the descendants of mighty warriors, kings and queens. It is literal. Priests and priestesses, seekers, nature keepers, psychics, seers, luminaries, visionaries, multi-hyphenate geniuses. It is our birthright to be happy, peaceful, joyful, successful, harmonious, and fulfilled. So you be that light of positivity wherever you are, authentically, not in a condescending manner, not in an arrogant manner, not in a holier than thou manner. In an authentic, loving, sincere, like, I see you, human being. I see you, elder. I see you, youth. I see you, sister. I see you, brother. I see you, mother. I see your spirit. I see your soul. I see your heart. I see your love. I see your pain. And I empathize with you. And I share my light with you. And I am on to the next. Ela buru, ela boye, ela boshishe.